Just thinking. About what? Senior year. Think about the last few months. Things have been good. What worries me is at some point, the scale has to tip one way or the other. Which means that things are gonna get really good again. Really bad.
Tell me, Lydia. It started just after you began senior year. What happened?
You don't remember me, do you? What if I let someone into my pack? Everybody knows that lone wolves, they don't make it on their own.
I'm starting to wonder if the rules to our supernatural world aren't as rigid as I once thought. Or maybe someone's trying to change those rules.
If you can change the rules, so can we.
Careful. Why can't you trust anyone? Because you trust everyone! Something's changed. I think it's because of me. And I don't know how to fix it.
Tell me what happened to them. What happened to your friends?
You're coming. You're coming for us.